everyone, welcome back to Java series. In this video, I'm going to explain you the basic concepts of OOPS from module 1 oversee. This is very important question. They have asked in all the question papers for 8 to 10 marks. Easily you can score 8 to 10 marks if you watch this video completely. Don't worry, I'll explain you in very simple way. If you are watching my video for the first time, then hit the subscribe button for more videos. Let us start the basic concepts of OOP. We have 8 basic concepts. Those are classes, objects, data abstraction, data encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, binding, and message passing. Binding is data binding. See one by one. Let us see the one by one. Classes and objects. Class is a user-defined data type. In each and every program, we will see one class, that is user-defined data type, on which the multiple objects are created. In that single class, we can create the multiple objects in that program. Got it? That is meant by class. And the objects which is similar property, that is data member and member functions, are grouped together to form a class. The objects means with the similar property, the data member and member function. These two are grouped together to form a class. That means in real life example, we can say A section, B section, right? A section people are grouped together because they have similar properties, and B section they are grouped together because they have similar properties. A section is a different class and B section is a different class here. Class is a collection of objects. I told you class is a collection of objects. In one class we have many objects. Object is an instant of class. The third one is data abstraction. Abstraction refers to the fact representing the essential information. Means it will show only the essential information without including the background data. It will not show the background data. It will show only the essential information. That is data abstraction. Data encapsulation. It is also called as information hiding or data hiding. Wrapping and combining the data members and member functions together into a single unit. In real life, you can see the capsule, right? Capsules, the tablets. Inside that they have added some powder in that, right? That is called encapsulations. Means wrapping and combining the data. They have added some data in it. Data members and member functions together into a single unit. That is called data encapsulation. Information hiding or data hiding is also called as encapsulation. Means they are hiding some information in that. Yes, they are hiding some data in that. That's why data encapsulation. Inheritance. The process of deriving a new class from existing class is called inheritance. Means we have already one existing class. From that class we are taking some functions and method from it and deriving one more new class from that existing class. That is inheritance. The existing class is also known as base, parent and superclass. We can call it as base, parent and superclass for the existing class. And the new class is also called as child class, derived class and subclass. And polymorphism. Polymorphism means that one team having multiple forms. For example, only one student have to study many subjects, right? Like that, one team having multiple forms, that is polymorphism. Poly means many. A single name can have multiple meaning based on its content. For example, if I take add a plus b, it will add a and b. If I take add a plus b plus c, then it will add a plus b plus c. It will change, right? Whenever based on the content, the meaning will be changed. That is polymorphism. The next one is binding. It means connecting a function call to the function code, which should be executed with respect to that code. Data binding is connected to the function call and function code. It should be executed with respect to the code. And here we have two types in binding, that is static and dynamic binding. Let us see the static binding. Execute during the compile time. It will execute during the compile time. That's why it is also called as compile time polymorphism or early binding. Because compiling is early, in the early stage we do compilation, right? That's why we call it as early binding or compile time polymorphism. The second one is dynamic binding. It executes during the runtime. The static binding executes during the compile time. Here the dynamic will execute during the runtime. That is why it is also called as runtime polymorphism or late binding. Here the compile time means early binding, runtime means late binding. Runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. Here we have one more concept, that is message passing. The communication between two objects by sending or receiving the messages. Means message passing means some communication between two objects. That may be sending the message or receiving the message. That is called message passing. Very simple, right? Easily you can score 8 to 10 marks by just explaining these 8 steps. This is the basic concepts of OOPS. If you find this information helpful, then like this video, share this video with your friends and hit the subscribe button for more videos because I share more every day. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.